Welcome to Programming Concepts. In this video we shall learn how to create an ASP.NET MVC Web Application. We shall be creating a movie store. This video will show you how to create functions like insert, delete, edit and view in MVC Web App. This application will contain in-app user accounts. Users can register and log into the website. And in the upcoming video, I'll show you how to make role-based access to the contents of website. Let's do this. Create a new ASP.NET Web Application project. We shall create a movie store application. Choose MVC. This is App Data folder. It contains database for the application. Content folder contains contents like style sheets, images etc. for the application. App Start contains startup files. Controllers contains controllers. In MVC, C means controller, M means model and V means view. Models contains models of the application. Models are like classes or entities of database. Views contains the views of the website. Views are written in two languages, C# and HTML simultaneously. Let's run the project. See what it already contains. This is pre-created template of MVC in Visual Studio 2015. Here are the home page views. And this is the home controller. It controls the home page and its operations. Let's play with it. Change its index function. Instead of showing its view, we shall return a string. We need to change its data type from action result to string in order to return a string. Now, run it. See, it didn't show our index page, instead it is showing us the string. This is how controller and view work together. Let's change it back to its original form. Let's register a user here. This is the app data folder which keeps the database of the application. Currently, it is empty. As soon as you register a user, the default database is created to keep the user's information. Validation errors are also created automatically. This is the valid password consisting of one capital letter, one special character and one number. Here you see that database has been created to store user account information. Import this newly created database into your project solution to see what's inside. I am opening table data of ASP.NET user table. Here's our registered user. So, this is what you get when you just create an MVC project. What is next is going to be done by us. Add a new database in App Data folder. Give it a name. Double-click to open it in Server Explorer. This is an empty database. Add a new table. We shall store movies information in this table. So, we have movies ID, name, genre etc. Movie ID will be a primary key. Make it identity with increment of 1. So each time we add a new movie, it is assigned an ID number automatically. Create this table with the name movie. Update the database. Now with the help of this database table, we shall create its model. Right-click on Models and add an ado.NET Entity Model. Name it as Movie. Select F-Designer from Database. Select the database with that table. Also save its connection string to web.config file. Connection string helps to connect to database. Now select the table which contains your models table. Our movie model has been created. Our model's DB context is also created. We shall use both the model and the context to create controller and views. Before creating controller, rebuild the project. Now right-click on controllers and add MVC Controller with views using Entity Framework. Select Model Class and Data Context Class. Our movie controller is ready. It has all the necessary methods including index, create, edit, delete and details. Views are also created. Now we need to put a link for our movie's index page in the application's layout page. Layout page is placed in shared folder. This folder also contains login partial view, error, and account lockout views. In layout page you see list of 3 links. They are the links we see here. Right next to the contact link, we insert our movie's link. HTML action link is an alternative of anchor tag of HTML in ASP. Its first string value is just the text of link you want to display, second is the name of controller's method, and third is the name of controller. Our controller name is movies not movie. My mistake. Run it. You see. Now we have our movies link next to contact link. Movies index page shows the list of movies we have added. Let's create a new one. Our move is here. We can edit and delete from here. Now we change its table headers display names. Open the movie model. Put a display name here. We need a namespace to use to make this change. Do the same for the next. Run the project. Now it looks better. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to create user roles to make role-based access to the application.